Hello, everyone, and welcome to our first podcast episode. This is your host, Andrew May Lungay, and today we'll be talking about how to keep your businesses safe online. So, joining me today is one of the cybersecurity expert and entrepreneur, Mr. JZ Balcos, who will help us understand and how to protect our businesses from online threats.
Hello everyone, thanks for having me today, Miss Lungay.
So, let's start by talking about the different types of cyber criminals that entrepreneurs may encounter. Mr. Balcos, can you explain the different cyber threats that entrepreneurs need to watch out for?
Well, entrepreneurs need to be more extra careful from hackers, identity thieves, scammers, and which are very common the cyber criminals in the online world. The other who try to steal information or disrupt business operations.
So, how can entrepreneurs protect their businesses from these online threats? And what will be some steps can they take to stay safe?
So, the most efficient way is that entrepreneurs should prioritize network encryption, proxies or VPN, firewalls, and cyber liability insurance to fortify their defenses against cyber threats and prevent or avoid potential financial risks.
Mr. Balcos, can you share with us a case in real life scenario in business that was affected by a cyber attack?
One example of this was the Equifax in 2017. This company collects people's credit information and it was hacked, exposing data from millions of people. This breach not only hurt their reputation but also cost them a lot of money.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Balcos, for sharing some cybersecurity challenges and the impactful case of the Equifax.
It's my pleasure, Miss Lumay.
So that would be the end of our today's podcast. Join us for our next episode.